Hi, welcome! Tech4O channel here, Michael my name, and today we're going to be talking about smartwatches. This technology has seen rapid development in the past 2 years, and we can overall divide them into two main groups, smartwatches and fitness trackers. The first group, they are the more capable, the more powerful and respectively the more expensive devices, and the second group, the fitness trackers, they are smaller, lighter, cheaper, and for some people more attractive. This one is the latest coming from Lenovo. It's called the, I'm gonna need some help here, it's called the HX103W. Maybe they need to think of a better name, but the smart band itself, it really is worth checking. The latest big name joining the fitness trackers hype is Lenovo. They in fact released a good tracker last year, the HX101, but it wasn't as popular as the Mi Band 2, so we are putting the new model HX103W on a test and review. The more common name of this band is the Cardio Plus, and it indeed is a wonderful addition to the fitness trackers world. We can do the unboxing rather quickly, in just seconds. Not a spectacular package, and overall that one suits well the price range. Lenovo is Lenovo, so we expect decent quality and good features. First thing we stuck on is the user guide. Short, multi-language, not too well designed, but informative enough. The bracelet looks to be done of good quality. The strap feels nice, and compared with the Mi Band 2, I would say it is no different. My tracker arrived powered on, and I'm not sure how long it is supposed to work in standby time, but so far it is impressive. Lenovo claims 7-day battery life, and I can promise to you it could last much more than that. The strengths of these bands are beyond what is obvious. First of all, it is IP68 waterproof, meaning protected against the effects of continuous immersion in water, which means it is fine for swimming. You won't find any special modes for different sports. There is the general sports mode, which you can start and do whatever activity you want, no matter the type of sport, whether that would be swimming or cycling or jogging. It is very simple to operate this mode. Just go to sports, press and hold, and you're all set. Heart rate is also present, and you can check that manually. What I found out is that a single measurement may not be that accurate, but as soon as you go into training mode, the sensor goes in continuous mode, which is much more accurate. Considering that I was running the absolutely first firmware version, I'm certain that Lenovo will improve that. I love the option for adjusting the home screen look. You can choose among a few styles, and it is pretty nice. I couldn't find a way to do that from the app, and likely it is another thing which is on Lenovo's to-do list. The display is overall bright. White is the color of the digits, and like almost any display of a fitness tracker, you won't see it clearly in direct sunlight. The display has a size of 0.96 inch, and when you decide to buy this tracker, look around for possible screen protector because it is plastic and scratches appear easily. Let's talk hardware now. Mentioned that the good sides of the tracker are beyond what we can see. The battery is 85 mAh and charging cycle should last for a week. In my case, it lasted longer than that, and in fact I noticed that standby time could be awesome if you don't use the tracker. For a week spent on my desk, it lost just 1%, which is quite amazing. Charging is another positive side of the Lenovo Cardio Plus. You are not dependent on a custom cable. Just pull out the strap and find a USB port. I wish Lenovo have added some NAND inside to store files and use it like a USB drive, but for $20 price tag, this is anyways good enough. The band is powered by the 52832 processor by Nordic Semiconductor, an extremely efficient solution that is even supporting Bluetooth 5, and compared to some of the older SoCs, like what we can find in the Mi Band 2, it is much more powerful and capable. Last but not least, the app. Although it has the modest rating of 3 in Play Store, I'd say it is good enough and does a good job. Maybe I will miss some of the Mi Fit options, but everything that you need to create a good and detailed fitness plan is present. It will show you details about trainings, sleep, heart rate, and the interface is clean, tidy and well organized. In fact, I do believe this fitness tracker ticks all the boxes for what you will look for at this price range. Current and powerful hardware and features, IP68 waterproof rating, notification sync, sleep and heart rate monitoring, independent charging via discrete USB port, and reasonable battery life, even customizable appearance via changeable straps. And you're getting all that at a price around just $20. I am indeed planning to continue to use the Cardio Plus in the next few weeks, and if I notice something strange, new or weird, I'll certainly let you know via the comment section below, where, of course, I'm looking forward to hear about your opinion of this wristband. Thank you a lot for watching this video, and a big thanks to gearbest.com for sending this sample for a test. I hope you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.